Hi everyone, this is video number 9. So we will continue to practice what and where questions. We have been practicing what and where questions. Are you ready? Great, let's begin. So first we are going to talk about what questions. Remember, what questions are used to talk about an activity. Now let's stop for 1 second. In English, we will use what questions not only to talk about an activity. For example, I could say, "What is this? What is this?" "This is my coffee mug." "This is my coffee mug." So sometimes we use what questions to get information about something, to describe something. What is this? This is my coffee mug. But in this unit, we have been using what questions to talk about an activity. And many times when we are using what questions to talk about an activity, we will see it with the verb, do. So look at the question I have here in blue. What did you do last week? What did you do? When I use that word do, I'm asking what activities, what things did you do last week? Okay, so you could give a lot of different answers. I went to the park. I had a picnic. I watched TV. I cleaned my room. Those are things that we do. The other questions we have been focusing on in this unit are where questions. Where questions are talking about a place, a location, okay? So the example I have here is, where did you go last week? When we see the word go, many times it is a where question, okay? Where did you go? So when you see do, many times it's a what question. And when you see where, many times it goes with go, okay? Where did you go last week? Examples could be, I went to the park. I went to the grocery store. I went to school. I went to Afghanistan, okay? Park, school, grocery store, Afghanistan. Those are all locations. They are places that you can go. So where questions go with places, okay? So let's look at this next activity, and we're going to practice what questions and where questions. So here I have a schedule. A schedule is a list of times and what I do at those times. This is Rosa's schedule, okay? So Rosa is a person, and this is what she does at different times in the day. So we are going to look at Rosa's schedule, and we are going to answer what and where questions. This is a listening and a speaking activity. We are not together. I wish that we were together, but I want you to practice. So I'm going to ask the question, and I want you to answer. Okay? I want you to answer out loud. So you are practicing speaking. I know I cannot hear you, but I know that you will answer the questions because this is the best way to learn English. Okay, so listen carefully, look at the schedule, and then answer the questions. Let's start with an example. I'm going to ask, where did Rosa go at 8 o'clock? Where did Rosa go at 8 o'clock? She went to the coffee shop. She went to the coffee shop. So when I ask the question, where did Rosa go at 8 o'clock? I want you to answer, she went to the coffee shop. Do you see those check marks? Okay, this, let me show you. This is a check mark. Do you see the check marks? The check marks tell you the place. So those will go with the where questions. Okay? The check marks tell you the place. Let's do another example. Where did Rosa go at 9:30? She went to the 4th floor. She went to the 4th floor. Now I'm going to give you a what question that goes with that where question. She went to the 4th floor. What did she do there? What did she do there? Did you answer? She prepared rooms. She prepared rooms. So where did Rosa go at 9:30? She went to the 4th floor. What did she do there? She prepared rooms. Make sure that when you are answering the questions, that you are answering in the past tense. Okay? You are answering in the past tense. She prepared rooms. Let's do the next one. Where did Rosa go at 10:30? Where did Rosa go at 10:30? Say your answer. Did you say she went to the reception area? She went to the reception area. And what did she do there? What did she do there? She met patients. She met patients. Remember, meet is an irregular verb, so she met patients. The next one. Where did Rosa go at 11:30? Where did Rosa go at 11:30? She went to the lab. She went to the lab. So if you haven't already said that, say it with me. She went to the lab. And what did she do there? What did she do there? She picked up x-rays. She picked up x-rays. Okay, we're going to do the next one. And this time, after I ask the question, I want you to repeat the question after me. Okay? So I will ask the question, and then I want you to repeat the question. Then I will answer. Are you ready? Where did Rosa go at 1 o'clock? So now you say it. Where did Rosa go at 1 o'clock? Where did Rosa go at 1 o'clock? And the answer? She went to the cafeteria. She went to the cafeteria. Now let's do a what question. What did she do at 1 o'clock? What did she do at 1 o'clock? Can you repeat after me? What did she do at 1 o'clock? She met Amy. She met Amy. Okay, let's look at the other side, Rosa's afternoon schedule. Where did Rosa go at 2 o'clock? Where did Rosa go at 2 o'clock? Repeat after me. Where did Rosa go at 2 o'clock? Answer the question. Where did she go? She went to the reception area. She went to the reception area. What did she do there? What did she do there? Can you ask the question to me? What did she do there? She cleaned the furniture. She cleaned the furniture. Great. Let's look at 3 o'clock. Where did Rosa go at 3 o'clock? Can you ask me that question? Where did Rosa go at 3 o'clock? She went to the first floor. She went to the first floor. And now, how would you ask the question? If you wanted to ask a what question, what would you ask? What did she do at 3 o'clock? Or, what did she do there? She made the beds. She made the beds. So where did Rosa go at 3 o'clock? She went to the first floor. What did she do there? She made the beds. She made the beds. How did you do? Let's look at the last 3 examples. Where did Rosa go at 3:30? Where did Rosa go at 3:30? Can you ask the question? Okay, and now the answer. She went to the 3rd floor. She went to the 3rd floor. Okay, and what did she do there? What did she do there? She delivered supplies. She delivered supplies. Do we know that word delivered? To deliver means to bring something to someone. A mail carrier delivers the mail to your house. A mail carrier delivers the mail to your house. To deliver something is to bring something to a person. Okay? Maybe you have ordered pizza. Maybe, I don't know. Sometimes if we order pizza, the pizza man will deliver the pizza to our house. You call and he will deliver the pizza. So to deliver is to bring something to someone else, okay? So at 3:30, Rosa delivered supplies. Where? To the 3rd floor. Okay, the next one. Where did Rosa go at 4:30? Where did Rosa go at 4:30? Let's see. She went to the lab. Let me hear you say it. She went to the lab. What did she do there? What did she do there? Can you answer? She picked up x-rays. She picked up x-rays. And the last one. Where did Rosa go at 5:30? Where did Rosa go at 5:30? She went to the community college. She went to the community college. And what did she do there? What did she do there? Can you answer? She went to English class. She went to English class. Okay, so That was a great practice of what and where questions. Let's keep going. And before we move on to the next activity, I will post this schedule at the end of the video. You can pause it, and if you have somebody at home that you can practice with, maybe a child or a husband or another family member who speaks enough English to help you practice what and where questions, you can do this activity at home, again, with that person. The more you speak, the better you will get at English. And since we cannot be in class, I want you to practice as much as you can. If you don't have a family member that you can practice with, you can ask yourself the questions and answer them too. Okay, let's go on. So now I'm going to ask you a couple of questions. We are going to work some more on those who, what, where, and when questions, okay? And we are going to look at this photo and answer questions about the photo. So my first question to you is, who is in this picture? Who is in this picture? This is a chef. This is a chef. Another way to say chef is cook. So the who in this picture, the person, is a chef. This is a chef. And where is he? Where is the chef? He is at a restaurant. He is at a restaurant. A chef or a cook works in a restaurant, and it looks like he is at his restaurant. Okay. Where? The place, a restaurant. What is he doing? What is he doing? Notice that I have doing with what, because what and do like to go together. What is he doing? Well, he is cooking. He is cooking. I can't tell what he is cooking. Can you see what he's cooking? Maybe fish? It looks like he might be cooking fish in a pan. He is cooking fish in a pan. Okay. So what are his duties? What duties does a chef have? What duties does a cook have? What do they do? Well, a chef has a lot of duties. They have to buy the food for the restaurant. They have to plan the menu. The menu is what things are they going to serve? What things are they going to give people? They have to come up with ideas for what food they want to give people at the restaurant, the menu. Then they have to chop the vegetables, chop. They have to mix the food. Maybe they mix the food. They stir, mix, stir. They cook the food, right? They might put the food in the oven, or he is cooking on a stove. They cook the food. So a chef has many duties, okay? If you work at a big restaurant, many times the chef has to tell other cooks how to cook. There is one chef who tells many other chefs what to do, okay? So a chef's duties are to buy the food, to plan the menu, and to cook the food. Okay, so now for homework, I want you to continue practicing. You can get out your workbook. Remember, your workbook might look like this one, or it could look like this one. Okay, get out your workbook and turn to page 93. We are going to do page 93 in the workbook. Page 93 has a schedule like the one we looked at. And you will look at the schedule and you will have to write the what and where questions and answer the questions. So turn to page 93 and we will go over that next time. I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.